Bar owner shot and succumbed to injuries in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and taken out and two others injured when gunmen invaded a bar in Rectory Road, Bucknor in Clarendon a few days ago. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Troy Roswell, a bar operator and security guard of Pearl Boulevard in Bucknor. Roswell's girlfriend and another man were also shot during the attack. Reports from the police are that at about 9:15 p.m., the victims were inside a bar operated by Roswell along Rectory Road when three men armed with firearms knocked and shouted, "Police, don't move." The culprits then gained entry and proceeded to open fire in the direction of the victims, hitting Roswell multiple times in the head and upper part of the body. The female was shot in the breast and hand, and the other man shot in his foot. The culprit escaped in a waiting motor car. The police were summoned and the victims taken to hospital where Roswell succumbed to his injuries and his girlfriend admitted, and the third man treated and released. The police say that security presence has been ramped up in the area as the incident is likely to spark reprisal. Up to May 23rd, a total of 28 people have been taken out in Clarendon and a total of 18 shooting incidents were reported to the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.